Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if I yours truly takes me there. Yeah man, big up on yourself, bless up everybody. We subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, hope you on be doing good. So today I'm going to my farm. I'm doing a follow-up video on my farm. Right now I'm gonna go up there randomly and reap something. So and the rain all fall now and thing that's why I may have the umbrella here. You see it? Yeah, man. So, on forward now, man. Forward with me, man. Let's talking. I'm going to see what I go on. Forward.
You don't know this is your Carve Diva. Big up to Dex Media. Keep it locked.
Yeah, respect. Yeah, people. So, we are going to see what I go on for the layer fall, you know. Okay, don't know. So, I'll be here rain and fall from with you. So, I'm just going to make sure so they're safe. You understand? And if they're laying at it. As you can see, people, they're good so far, you see it? Yeah, man, they're good so far and thing. Because you can see the place secure good enough. Them warm, you keep them warm and everything. And as my mom did say on the last video, you can't feed them too much. Because then we get fat and now I leave them more egg again. So I took time for the days to feed them. Yeah guys, so this is the way to my farm. Alright, I'm going to a view. I'm going to see which part I'm forward from. Alright, so as you can see, there's some of our farm. I don't know if this is the fall cook there already with the layer them. Yeah man, a mad thing. Yeah guys, up to the farm we go. What thing, man? Dex Media outside. What? Find something for reap already. Watch it. Nice banana. In a really that full still. So we're gonna circle the farm first before we shell this. Yeah, man, we're gonna circle the farm first. Planting young though. Planting is not ready. Alright. Let's see if we can find cane now. Most can find cane. Alright, and look what I go on here now. Pine. Nice pine, people. But it's not ready yet still, it's not ready. Yeah, not ready yet. Probably by next 2 months around this. Yeah, man, you can reap cane. Not cane, I say, you can reap pineapple. And as me say last time, my girl, they love pineapple, you know, man. But then say, good for them pum pum. Sorry for my language, people. Alright. So finally, it's a nice cane that I can cut. But the onion over here is a lot more fuller. So I'll go and feed. Alright. Yeah, people, some I say I can damage that one. Yeah, man. The reason why I'm not draw out the root because the root are the sucker. So I want if we bear more again. Man. I'm not ask price if the cane and I go sweet. Alright, nice cane. Nice. Hello. Yeah, man, that's some deal with it, man. Some deal with it. Some deal with it. Yeah, man, I'm mad thing. Yeah, man. What can I say? Reaper cane. I want a mad thing. Yeah, man, I'm gonna show them around the farm some more. Plus, see what else I can reap. You understand what I say? Yeah. Yeah, guys. Boy, I'm gonna tell us that the cane sweet. Sweet, your friend. I shall not cheat. I tell you, man. Alright now. Right now, we are take a walk. We still a walk out the farm same way. See if we can find something else so we can reap, you see it? Yeah, man, up. see what I go on. Well, man, I both sweat. Tired, man. Woo! But it was worth it. Yeah, man, it was worth it. I don't know some love planting already. Yeah, man, I'm a thing, man. Up at the farm. Alright, this is where I forward from. Alright, people. Bless upon yourself for watch the video here. And if you do like the video as I mentioned earlier, leave a like. Plus, remember, so if you leave something in the comment section, let me know what is what. So I can know the type of content that you guys want me to post more. So, peace out. Dex Media. Big up on